Hi everybody, my name is Kristen Spencer, and I'm here at my desk in my office at the Erie Community Library in Erie, Colorado, which is a northwestern suburb of the Denver area in Colorado, where I'm from. You can see my messy desk, and that's, that way, that's my plant, Phil. I work as a library associate full-time here. I do a lot of children's programming, a lot of story times, but I'm lucky that I have flexibility. I get to do some teen programming, I get to do some adult programming, I do lots of normal circulation work, and I really enjoy the flexibility that comes with that. I'm in my 4th semester. I hope to be done December 2019 is my goal. I really love working with little kids, and I have a passion for early literacy, and I'm excited to learn more about the topic because I do a lot of story times, as I mentioned, and I just want to be able to share the tips and the knowledge. And if I can make early literacy a priority for even just one family that didn't think it was a big deal before, then I think I'm making a legitimate difference in the world. I feel like I never leave the library, but sometimes they do let me. I like to read, of course. I have a lot of friends, so to combine that, I'm actually headed to book club this evening after I finish recording this video to talk about fried green tomatoes at the Whistle Stop Cafe, which we read this month, and it was great. I feel like I have no other hobbies or activities at this point in my life. Just work, school, friends, family, boyfriend, and that's enough. I like being busy, and I like the program so far. I'm really learning a lot, and I'm excited to get to know all of you and work with you.